Small eyes. Big eyes, small eyes. Buck teeth? Huh?
Sorry, my dog gets really excited when I get to use her in a film. Down, girl, down, girl. I don't want love time right now. Her face just looks like that normally, by the way. My face is actually edited. Hi, I'm Olivia. How y'all doing?
My hand is wavy. Whoa.
No. Whoa, no one wants to see that. No one wants to see that. Oh, her arm is looking bigger than usual. Oh, you need to stop working out there, girl. I guess I need to stop studying. Look at my head. Oh. Look, here's what happens when you don't study. Uh-oh. Here's what happens when you do study. Oh, here's what happens when you study in the middle. Whee!
And this is what happens when you work old.
This is what happens when you don't sleep. See her eyes, the bags. Oh, that's not pretty. No. Oh. You did not want to go through what I just went through. There she's flashing her flabby arms. Buck teeth. Let me see if I can do buck teeth. Oh, I can't. You look like my pet rabbit.
I thought it was a pet dog.
She's a dog that looks like a rabbit. She's a Daggett.
A daggett?
A dog rabbit. I'm getting attacked. Help me.
Hello, I'm Grace. Her face is the one that looks like that normally.
Get down. I'm still alive. My dog tried to overpower me. You are going in a timeout. Should be. She farted in your face. That's all for now.